This picture shows things that have the sound. It might be a beginning sound with or a middle sound with Point to the umbrella. Say the word. Say the beginning sound. There's the umbrella. I hope you found umbrella. Say Which of these words has in the middle? Hat, fit, cup. That's right. Cup has in the middle. Find 3 more things that have the sound in the middle. Duck. Good job if you found duck. Bus has the in the middle. Good job if you found bus. Tub has the sound. Good job if you found tub. Now, find what rhymes with mug. Find it in the picture. If you found the bug, you're right. Bug rhymes with mug. Good job.